Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to a new tutorial. It's me IJ and I'm back with this amazing tutorial. Guys, I want to show to you all how I achieve this beautiful outfit I'm putting on this video. Yes, it is simple, it is easy. A beginner can make it without any problem. So if you are ready for us to do it, let us get started. The trouser is a palazzo trouser and the top is a kimono top with drawstring on the two sides. It is so simple. And what you are seeing on the front of it, the cape, it is ashoke. It is ashoke that I used to do it. This is the trending kimono blouse that is trending now. I'm going to use this Ankara. First, we are going to cut out our palazzo. It is simple to cut. So I'm going to fold this in two. So this is where we are going to start our measurement here. The measurement we are using to achieve this palazzo trouser is 45 inches. We are going to minus 2 inches because of the band. So whatever that is remaining is going to be what we are going to cut out. So now, this is my material. I'm going to start from this line you are seeing here. This is the starting point. So this starting point is where I'm going to place my 2 inches. Do you see it? And I'll take it down to get 43. Remember, this 43 is because that we are going to remove 2 inches. So on this 43, add extra 2 inches for the folding, which is going to be 45. Do you see it? It's going to be 45. And this is the straight line you are seeing. So another line we are going to measure now is from the waist to the hip line, which is 9 inches. That is the line you are seeing here. And also measure the length of your hip divided by 4, which is going to be 10.5. Mine is 42. 42 divided by 4 is 10.5, plus half an inch for ease, which is 11 inches. That is what you are seeing here. Do you see it, guys? So now on this line, which is the hip line, that is your hip plus extra half an inch, we are going to use it as the crotch line. So on this crotch line now, we are going to measure our hip divided by 4, which is also 10.5. We measure 10.5 here. This is our 10.5. Then bring this 10.5 also to this upper side, which is the waist. So after this 10.5, add any allowance you want to add for the palazzo to be big. So I'm going to add only 2 inches. And I'll add the 2 inches also on this side. Do you see it now? So make a straight line to it. So this is the straight line. So after that now, we are going to now get our crotch so that we are going to curve it. Do you see it? So divide this 10.5 that you have here by 4. You are going to have 2.5. So mark that 2.5 as your crotch. So now from this point 2.5, connect it to this hip line from waist to hip, just in a curve. Like you can use your armhole curve or you can use ordinary hand. So let's use armhole curve. Armhole curve. Do you see it now? So this is it. So this is it. So now, for it not to be too bulky on the front side, come in by half an inch to reduce this bulkiness. So connect it like this. You are doing this just to reduce the bulk on the front area. Do you see it? So now, if you want it to be more wider on the downside, you add extra inches on the down if you want it to be wide. But if you don't want it to be wide, you want to maintain this measurement of the hip that you did here. So just take whatever you have. So here I have 15.5. I'm going to bring it down to the length. Do you see it? 15.5. Then I'll add extra 1 inch to it, because I want it to be a bit wider on the down. So now I will take my ruler. From this point now, I will connect it to here. It will make it to be wider down. If you don't want, then forget about the 1 inch. So guys, this is it. So the next thing to do now is to cut it out and use it to cut the back panel. So guys, I have cut it out. Do you see it? While cutting here, remember to add half an inch to sew it to the band. Don't forget that. Add your half an inch and then cut this side open. So I'm going to cut this side open. So guys, this is it. Do you see it? I have cut it open. Do you see it? I have cut here open. So I'm going to use this now to cut out the back panel. So now guys, I have used the front panel to fold the back panel. So I have folded it. So place it on it. So on this crotch here, on this point of the crotch, you are going to curve it out. While curving it, give it a little bit of slant, not straight, but a little bit of slant. Do you see it? A little bit of slant, and measure 3 inches there. Or 2 inches. Measure 2 inches. And also measure 2 inches on the other side. Add 2 inches to it. And on the down here, also add 2 inches. So give it a straight line. So on this point now, on this crotch line at the back, you raise it up by 2 inches because this is to cover your butt so that your butt is not going to be open if you sit down. So here, go up by 2 inches. And also come out by 2 inches or 1.5 inches, depending on how big or small you want it to be. I'll do 1.5. So take it up, the 1.5, take it up to meet these 2 inches here. Do you see it now? And from these 2 inches here, just take it straight to the waist here. Do you see it, guys? So on this waist to hip line, measure also 2 inches or 1.5 inch, depending on how big or small you want it to be. Measure 2 inches. So from there now, connect it to this 2 inches that you came out on this point. So just connect it. Then connect from here up. See, that's the back panel. Do you see it? That is the back panel. So the next thing now is to cut it out and you are good to go. And open this other side. This side, you open it. All the allowances is on this side. This side, you cut it open. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. So guys, I have cut it out. So that's the back panel and this is the front panel. The next thing to cut out now is our pockets. So I'm going to take this piece now to cut out our pockets. Do you see it? Just fold it in two and then fold it again, depending how wide you want it to be. So put your hand in this form and just give it any style of your choice. You cut here open, 4 pieces of it. That is what you are going to cut out. So it's so simple. So this is our pocket. Do you see it? So the next thing now is to go to machine to fix it. So now we are going to sew the palazzo trouser together. Already there is a video on my channel where I made a palazzo trouser also. It is so simple. You can equally watch that out. It's the same thing. So now the thing to do is to take the front panel. Remember, we use the front panel to cut out the back panel. So we now take the front panel. we sew it together using 1/2 inch to sew it together, just the right side facing each other. So on this side we are going to use 1/2 inch to close it up, and on the side we are going to come down by 2 inches. We come down by 2 inches on both front and back panel, 2 inches. Then we attach our pockets, and the pockets we are going to do the right side facing each other. And remember, we cut out 4 pieces of it. So just take one, the right side facing each other on both panels, the front and back. So your 2 inches there, you place it and you come down. The maximum is 7 inches and minimum is 6 inches. Do you see it? 7 inches plus 1 inch to close it, which is 8 inches. So you now attach it here. Then you do the same thing to the back panel. After that, you now close it, but I'm going to attach it and I'll be right back. So guys, I have now closed the front with 1/2 inch and also attach the pockets. Do you see it? Come down by 2 inches from the waist and attach it, and also on this side. And I've done the same thing to the back panel. We close the back panel also with 1/2 inch. Equally attach the pockets. Do you see it? So the next thing to do now is just to take the other panel, that is the front. Take the front panel and place it on the back panel. Match it. It's not going to be equal because remember, the allowances were put in the back panel, so it's going to be short, but just match it. Just draw it, match it on this side, then sew it. Sew it. When you are sewing, don't sew straight like this, because when you do, you close the pockets. So you are going to sew from here 1/2 inch this way, then you come down and close it up, and you do the same thing on the other side. And on this side, you pick it together like this and you close it, and you close this side also. So guys, I have joined everything together. So that's the pocket. Do you see it? I've sewn it, I've closed the sides, and I equally close the under. So the next thing to do now, since you have closed all the sides, so the next thing to do is to measure your waist. So now measure your waist. Whatever you have, you cut it out. Here I have 23 in 2, which is going to give us 46. So we now cut out. Remember, we reduced 2 inches as our band. So what we are going to cut out on length is going to be 46 plus 1 inch to sew it is going to be 47. And the height we are going to use is 5 inches. Because when we fold it like this in 2, we are going to have 2.5. Then 1/2 inch is to join it to our panel. Do you see it? Exactly 2.5 I have here. So I'm going to now take it, cut out 47 inches. So you measure till we get our 47 inches. To be on the safe side, you can add more 1 inch to it. So I'm going to now cut it out. You see it? So we are going to do it this way. Close it up. While closing it up, we are going to close it. While closing it up here, you sew to 1.5 inch. You now leave 1 inch open, then you close the rest so that you can insert your elastic from the 1 inch that you keep open. So after doing that, you now do it in this. We now turn it and add it to our waist. Do you see it? So we now add it to our waist. So I'm going to do that and take our elastic, minus 5 inches from whatever that is your waist measurement on the elastic, because you know it's elastic, it draws. So minus 5 inches. If you are 30 inches waist, use 25 inches. So for me, that is 34 inches. I'm going to use 29 inches. That is what I'm going to use as my band, the elastic. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. So guys, I have attached our band. Do you see it? And also add our elastic. Like I said, reduce the elastic. Don't use your exact waist measurement. It's not going to be nice. It's going to be too big. So reduce it by 5 inches, whatever waist measurement you have. Cutting out your elastic, reduce it. So this is it. So when you now draw it, it's going to fit on your waist. And I added rope on it. That is stripe. I added stripe on it for those that like it. If you don't like, you can leave it. And after that, on the upper side, top stitch it, depending on the length of your elastic. So when you are doing it, pull it so that it's going to be free. Then you top stitch the upper part, and also on the down you top stitch it. But while doing it, pull it. Don't leave it like this. After inserting your elastic, then you top stitch it. Do you understand? So this is it. And the next thing is to fold the down, which I have done using the 2 inches allowance that we added. So this is how to make your palazzo. Very simple. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, don't forget to like this video, share and comment on it so that others can enjoy it. See you in my next video. For now, bye bye.